The welding process for the batteries, inverters, and motors used in electric cars is growing along with the manufacture of EVs. As a result, automation of the welding process is highly demanded. The welding quality can be inspected by resistance measurement. Weld resistance is extremely low and ranges from 10 microohms to around 100 microohms. Using a high precision range is important when measuring it, and measurement in this range uses a large measuring current. However, there are challenges in increasing the measurement current. For example, probe contact resistance and cable wiring resistance can affect measurement results. These resistance values are known as route resistance. Using long measuring cables, thin measuring cables, or probes that are worn out are all factors causing route resistance to increase. When the route resistance is high, the measurement current cannot flow correctly. As a result, the production line will stop due to measurement errors and inaccuracy. Typically, it is recommended to thicken and shorten the wire cable in order to resolve this issue, due to the wire routing. However, it is difficult and costly to integrate the instrument into automation testing systems. The Hioki's welding resistance meter, RM3546, provides an expanded route resistance tolerance mode that more than doubles the tolerance value for line resistance. A sufficient amount of measurement current is used to maintain the resistance measurement to 1 nano-ohm resolution. The instrument retains sufficient performance to generate pass or fail judgments of weld resistance. This allows for the use of thinner and longer cables for measurement, making cable routing easier. Stable measurements are also possible, even with worn probes. Probe replacement will be less frequent, resulting in lower operating expenses for manufacturing equipment. Because of this, it makes the instrument easy to integrate into the automated testing system and prevents production downtime caused by route resistance errors. The welding quality can be inspected by resistance measurement. Hioki provides solutions for accurate, safe, and efficient measurement of electrical testing in the welding process.